remember what I was gonna say.
It's your girl, Gabby Goops. Coming at you with another video.
Coming at you with another video. It's your girl, Gabby Goops.
Yeah, like a rose that grew.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Do y'all see this? This is the state of my hair. My hair has been like this for a couple of days. Because of the quarantine, my hair's been looking rough. Looking like Miss Seeley from The Color Purple. We gotta do something about this. Ain't that right, baby?
That's right.
Gotta do something. So it is time for my weekly regimen. I already put aloe in my hair earlier this week, so I am not doing that today, but I am going to put in my rice water. Today's video is gonna just show you my process on how I do my rice water. I have already boiled my rice water, so it has been sitting in a little cup, my mason jar, for 24 hours. So we're gonna start the process from there. And the reason why it's good to put rice water in your hair is because your hair needs protein. My hair, it needs protein to make it strong. It stops it from breaking. Putting rice water in your hair strengthens your entire hair strand, including the ends, which is the oldest part of your hair. One cool thing about rice water is that it also helps clarify what's going on up here in your scalp. So if you have oily scalp and if you have dandruff like I do, rice water is really good. You can actually kind of use it as like a shampoo of some sorts. Let's get started. So here is my rice water, and it was sitting in this mason jar for 24 hours. So I still have some of my aloe powder left over. So what I'm going to do is take this, and I'm actually going to filter some of this into my rice water. And to do that, get a coffee filter and your aloe vera powder, and scoop out 1/4 teaspoon of your aloe vera powder into your coffee filter. Then get a water bottle and put the coffee filter with the aloe vera powder at the top of the opening. Now pour the rice water into the water bottle way slower than I just did there. Yeah, don't do what I did there. Pour it very carefully, or just get a water bottle that has a larger opening. Let me wipe up this rice water real quick. Okay, and this is what it looks like once it is in the spray bottle. Okie dokie, so grab your towel and wrap it around yourself to prevent this yucky rice water from getting all over you. Now let me take down this hair, and it's time to spray.
And I got Christ. Then I learned to fight, so I'm sliding on that track like, okay, yeah, it's over for you. Ooh, I know it's over for you.
Okay, so I am finished. I put a plastic bag over my head, and I'm gonna let this sit for 15 minutes. All right, so I am hopping into the shower. So I'm taking off my plastic bag, and I am going to get in, and of course, you see I'm very shocked by the water temperature, but I rinse out the rice water, and then I make sure to get really good in there. But now I get my conditioner, and I just make sure to just rub it all throughout my hair, and then I put my hair into 2 big twists. And I do that so then I can rinse out the conditioner, but sometimes it will leave in just a little bit in my hair. But for some reason, I feel like my hair doesn't break off as much when I do this way. So I tend to do this anytime that I co-wash my hair. Okay, so I am out the shower. My hair is all clean. As you can see that I kept my hair in these twists, and so now I'm taking them down. So I'm leaving conditioner. Put some coconut oil.
Frosted, I don't flake, come and taste. The know he's good, come get a plate. Wait. 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 Hey, turn that up, behemoth. This journey gets lonely, and even though we get scared, we'll find out when we get there. Yo, this life ain't a quick hurdle. I'm a turtle. Plan to see the love in my soul, my heart is fertile. My posse get it popping like kernels, but they ain't heard of us yet. They love you when you step on, right now we Urkel. Brandy attention don't changes. All we came to do is make the name of Jesus famous. Word to Amos, it ain't sweet like oatmeal raisin. Loose angels that aid us from danger, but if we get caught.
Alright, so that is my hair routine for this week. I am going to let this dry overnight, and then tomorrow I'm gonna let it out into a beautiful twist out. But I hope that you guys have a great rest of your day, and thank you for watching. Bye.
Wanna keep me, journey gets lonely, and even though we get scared, we'll find out when we get there. God's gonna lead me, I don't always know where.